Taking a look at some of the Sencut knives in my collection. This is the most recent one. It's called the Practisk, and I really like these yellow handles. They just pop. The bolsters, the liners, everything's super neat. It's just a vibrant knife. I really like the blade shape. It's tip-up carry. You can flip the clip to either side. They can make it in other colors, but I just love that yellow. Next up is the Cibrix. This one is a button lock. All the rest of these three are button locks. I really like button locks, and I really like the shape of this one. It's a very organic shaped handle. It is tip up carry, and you can put the clip on either side. It's an aluminum handle, very lightweight and thin. Flipper, super easy to open. I really like the blade shape, a very strong, thick blade. It's a button lock, so it's easy to close with one hand, and as you can see, great lockup. That one is called the Cibrix. Next is the Crowley. This is another button lock, so it makes it easy to close. This G10 is what they call natural. I call it like a jade or a clear. I really like this color. This one has a little bit different blade shape than some of the others. Different handle shape, I should say. They all have different blade shapes. And this drop point, I really like the shape of this one. This is a good knife for working. This one is that button lock, as I mentioned, so it's very easy to close one-handed. And look at how great, all just parallel lines there. Great jimping. Really like this one. It's called the Crowley. And then this last one, it's just called the Sachi, I believe. And I fell in love with the blade shape on this one, the G10 green handle. This one has, again, a button lock. Black blade on this one. All these Sencuts are super easy to open. This is another one with the tip down carry, and it can be flipped to either side. It's a flipper. They all have thumb studs as well, but I just use the flipper. And again, a very well balanced, nice knife for lots of uses. So that's the Sencuts, some of the Sencuts in my collection, some of my favorites. I hope this helps.